Hi learners, you have been working so hard all year in learning about the history of the United States. Our next unit in social studies is a little bit different. It is about economics. And I know because you're watching this video that you have already clicked on our unit folder and you have clicked on the economics unit overview because I know this is where you are right now. I wanted to talk to you about the purpose of this unit. As a learner, you are going to demonstrate an ability to explain and compare different economic systems. You will explain the relationship of profit and loss in decision making, distinguish among natural, capital, and human resources, draw conclusions about how an economy is influenced, and draw conclusions about how supply and demand fluctuate based on the economy. And fifth graders, this learning is so exciting because you'll be working in class and at home about these economic concepts, and then you get to put them in play in the real world when we go on our field trip to the School of Economics. So I can't wait to see what you learn and how you can show us what you know on your field trip. Okay, once you are finished watching this video, I would like for you to go and click Activate Your Schema. Please answer this question. You will post your answer, and I'd like for you to read at least 5 of your classmates' posts. It's important to be able to learn from other people. Once you have posted your schema, then it is time for you to get started on week 1. So you will click on week 1 and you will work your way through the week 1 activities. Please remember that there are assignments in week 1 folder that have due dates. On your homepage of the course, this is a place to be tracking to help you stay on top of this is the date and this is the assignment that you need to do. All right, 5th graders, you got this. I can't wait to see what you've learned.